On YouTube, I have received this kit for Arduino from GearBest. As you could see, it's a kit to build your own, project with a three-wheel car. So there are the wheels. Let's open this. There are wires, I guess the connecting wires. I'll put it here. This is the base of the car, the vehicle, the robotic or do-it-yourself car that you are gonna build with this, with the Arduino Uno. And there's a plastic bag. So I'll see what's inside. Okay, so here's the assembly. How to assemble all the parts. It's mentioned here in this paper, in this piece of paper. I have to keep it somewhere. Now there's a battery box here with the long wire. Okay, and I have some other parts, few more parts with the button to switch on or switch off the power. I'll keep it somewhere, be careful. And now there are couple of motors. I guess this will drive the wheel. So there are two motors here and lots of screws. And this is the third wheel. So the idea is to build a car, and then there are some extra components. Those would be required, like Arduino Uno, a drive shaft, and few more electronic components that would be required to build this Arduino controlled car. So it has come from GearBest, nicely packed. So thanks for watching.